changes into something red. Her mother doesn't like her. Everything she never had, she showed
First
me. Driving too fast, the wind is breaking through her hair. She said something that she won't forget. Having no regrets is all that she really wants.